Chickpeas may not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about nutrient-dense foods. However, it is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a great addition to any diet. Many health experts consider chickpeas a superfood for their potential benefits, including cancer prevention and managing diabetes. One of the main benefits of chickpeas is their high protein content, making them an excellent source of the proteins needed for growth and development in the body. So, stick around as today we explore the 8 science-based health benefits of chickpeas and why you have to give them a try. 1. Great source of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, as well as maintaining healthy bones. Chickpeas contain about 15 grams of protein per cup, making them an excellent source of protein. However, you should not rely on chickpeas as the only source of protein. 2. Diabetes. Chickpeas have been found to have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. They are also rich in fiber and protein, which can help to slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, as it can help to keep blood sugar levels stable. 3. Weight management. Chickpeas are low in calories and high in fiber and protein, which can help to promote feelings of fullness and make it easier to eat less. Additionally, the low glycemic index of chickpeas may make them a good option for people trying to manage their weight. 4. Digestion. Chickpeas are rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers. Soluble fiber can help to lower cholesterol levels, while insoluble fiber helps keep the digestive system regular. Eating enough fiber is important for maintaining good digestive health and preventing constipation. 5. Bone strength. Chickpeas are a good source of several minerals, including zinc, folate, and iron, which are all essential for maintaining strong bones. Zinc helps maintain bone density, folate helps with new cell growth, and iron helps with the production of collagen, which is important for bone strength. 6. Heart health. Chickpeas are high in fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also high in potassium, a mineral that can help lower blood pressure, which is another major risk factor for heart disease. 7. Brain function. Chickpeas are a good source of folate, which is an important nutrient for cognitive function, particularly in older adults. Folate is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that help transmit signals in the brain. Iron is also present in chickpeas, which is essential for brain development and function. 8. And last but not least, they help prevent cancer. Some studies have suggested that the phytonutrients present in chickpeas may help prevent the growth and spread of certain types of cancer cells. So there you have it, 8 science-based health benefits of chickpeas. They are a great food option if you're looking to add more protein, fiber, and vitamins to your diet. And since they are so versatile, they can be added to many different dishes. So give them a try. It could be a tasty and healthy choice. Thinking of adding chickpeas to your daily diet? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. As always, let us know your thoughts, and if you have any other health topic you would like us to cover in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.